iGourmand.
Eat, drink, man and woman, where the gourmandise is not a sin.
If you go to bed at night without learning something new that day, your day is not complete. Luke Paquin, 1973. Caesar salad Lucito. Caesar salad. A Caesar salad is a green salad of romaine lettuce and croutons dressed with lime juice, olive oil, egg, Worcestershire sauce, anchovies, garlic, Dijon mustard, Parmesan cheese, and black pepper. In its original form, this salad was prepared and served tableside. The salad's creation is generally attributed to the restaurateur Caesar Cardini, an Italian immigrant who operated restaurants in Mexico and the United States. His daughter Rosa recounted that her father invented the salad at his restaurant Caesar's, at the Hotel Caesar in Tijuana, Mexico, when a 4th of July rush in 1924 depleted the kitchen's supplies. Cardini made do with what he had, adding the dramatic flair of the tableside tossing by the chef. Cardini was living in San Diego, but he was also working in Tijuana, where he avoided the restrictions of Prohibition. Caesar salad Lucito. Ingredient: 1/2 iceberg lettuce, 1 tomato, 4 ounces shredded turkey, 4 tablespoons Caesar salad dressing, 3 tablespoons Parmesan and Romano cheese, salt and pepper. Preparation: 1 iceberg lettuce, 2 diced tomato, 3 turkey, 4 Caesar salad dressing, 5 Parmesan and Romano cheese.
Now the salad for Caesar. Yesterday the salad here. Now the tomato here. Here. Cut here. Go to also the fridge is here good but hot. And here cut the tomato. Now the tomato is good, so that's it. This, the plate for salad here. Yesterday I was buried, so here good. That's good. another one because here, other one, good for salad. Now, Caesar here, dressing. The tomato here. This good for tomato, pepper here, salt, this turkey here, shreds here, the this good. Caesar here. This gone. And Reggiano in here. So here. And that's it. Simple. And this here is Caesar. Bye bye.
iGourmand. Curriculum vitae, Luke Paquin. Facebook. YouTube. Twitter. Pinterest. Instagram. Zoom.